Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Okay, so ayan guys, magagawa tayo ng misingit. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun guys, dun sa pagkain na yun, sa dish na yun, pero ipapakita ko sa inyo later guys kung paano siya gagawin. So ayan nga guys, ayan, ito yung mincemeat na, ayan, ayan na siya. So kailangan, ayan na yung mincemeat. Hinugasan ko na siya kanina guys, kasi nananghalian ako. So hinugasan mo siya, kailangan dry natin yan siya. Kailangan dry siya. Okay, yung mincemeat natin, ida-dry natin siya. Tapos natin itong tubig. Kasi kailangan natin i-dry yung ating mincemeat. Then, after natin mag-dry ng mincemeat, hiwa tayo. Kasi dalawang pack yan, guys. So, hiwa tayo ng onion. Kapag small onion, kailangan meron kang 8 pieces kapag sa dalawang pack ng mincemeat. Pero pag isang pack lang, pag small onion siya, kailangan dalawa. Pero pag big onion siya, isa lang. Then, so, dalawa ang ating inihanda dahil dalawang pack yun. So, tapos, dalawa. Yun yung igigisa mo muna kasi siya, guys. Yan. Panggisa lang yan siya. Then, later on, guys, itong dalawang ito yung pag nilagyan natin siya ng medyo, maging ano na siya, magkakaroon na siya ng sauce. So, ayan. Then, ito ang kasama niyan. Ang potato. Nasa sa inyo, guys, kung nalagyan nyo rin ng carrots or what else. Pero, dahil dito, ang aking mga amo, hindi sila mahilig ng halo-halo yung inilalagay sa dish. So, ito guys, ayan, dahil ko tayo ng dinner later, ito, naka-prepared na talaga ako, rugna, garlic, then ginger. Mga dinurog ko na siya kanina, pero mamaya dudurogin ko pa siya ulit para mas okay siya. Then, chilli, yan guys, yan ang aking mga ilalagay dyan. Then, mamaya maglagay pa tayo ng curcum or yellow powder. Tapos, paprika, yan, or dinurog na sili. Then cumin, ayan guys, lahat ng spicy na ilalagay natin is 4 na klase. Pero dahil wala na yung isa, yung coriander, so hindi na natin siya gagawin. Then guys, mamaya papakita ko kung ano man yung aking mga sunod na gagawin. So ayan na nga guys. Let's start! Kaya maghiwa na tayo ng sibuyas. Sa inyo kung paano nyo hiwain ng sibuyas guys. Kung gusto nyo maliliit, go. Pero kung gusto nyo ng sweet, go. Bahala kayo kung anong style ang gawin nyo. Kasi itong dish na to, hindi ko talaga siya alam kung ano ito. Kung anong pangalan nito. So, gumagawa lang ako, magluto lang ako, mag-alat chef tayo. May chef na hindi pala alam kung anong klaseng luto. Ayan o. So, ayan guys. Nakakaiyak ang onion. Ugasan ko na. Onion. Unahin natin ang onion. Kasi, gagawin natin siyang golden brown, guys.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared, just level up, don't be scared. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared, just level up, don't be scared.
Kailangan yung garlic, maging brown din siya guys. So, habang malapit na maging brown yung ating ibang onion na mga puti, mga white pa. So, mag-green pa sabay sila magiging brown lahat.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Natin yung tomato paste niya para may ilagay ko na lang yung mince. Tapos lubat na ako at tinakaya ng aking mobile. Ayan. Pipicturean ko na lang dito guys yung itsura pag natapos na. Ayan na nga guys, ready na ang aking mince meat. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang tawag dito. Ilagay ko na yung mince meat, pero yung kalahati is niluluto ko pa kasi tatabi yan. Tapos ito nilagay ko na yung patatas. Yan, kompleto na siya. So, lulutuin na lang natin yan. Then, after 20 minutes, pwede na siyang patayin.